Hello, my name is Dr. Charles Bailey, and I'm a vascular surgeon here at Emory Healthcare and the director of our Limb Preservation and Peripheral Arterial Disease program. I've wanted to be a physician since the third grade. It sounds silly, but 30 to 40 years ago, if you did well in school, they'd tell you to be a lawyer, a doctor, an engineer. Somehow and somewhere, the idea was planted and it stuck. I come from a blue-collar background in Metro Detroit, and I remember even at that early age, respecting the amount of work required to become a physician, the distinct sense of good you can do and help you can provide. I'm truly living my childhood dream. I love being a surgeon. With your own hands, you can immediately impact someone's life, and in the vascular world, the end result can be truly life and limb saving. Vascular surgery is the only specialty that can provide the full spectrum of medical and surgical care for all vascular diseases. I'm the only one in my family who's in healthcare. They all turn to me to help interpret and discuss their medical care, and many times I said, "Charlie, how come the doctor couldn't just talk to me in a way I could understand?" I believe that communication and compassion to patients and their families is of utmost importance. I want to be an advocate for my patients and make sure they understand every step of their process of their healing. The heart and vascular services at Emory Healthcare are committed to providing the highest level of care at all phases of one's healthcare journey. A comprehensive center such as ours allows immediate access to physician specialists, focused programs in complex aortic and peripheral arterial disease, embracing collaboration to provide the best outcomes for our patients. Emory Healthcare is a leader in Atlanta and committed to bringing high-level care across the state of Georgia. As part of an academic medical system, we are in the forefront of it all. The newest technologies, research trials helping to define best practice therapies, and educating the next wave of brilliant physicians for Georgia. It's the responsibility of an academic center to set the standard of care, and we are doing just that. Outside of my role as doctor, I love just being dad at home, watching my kids grow and develop, traveling as a family, and just being a great parent and husband. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together at Emory.